How to replace a flapper and toilet tank handle. Here we can see there's a slight leak by on the flapper, creating all this gross stuff in the toilet bowl. Let's take care of that. To make things easier, shut off the water supply to the toilet tank. Drain the water from the toilet tank. This is one of the few instances where the threads are reversed. So right is going to be loose and left is going to be tight. Remove the flapper valve. This one is flexible. It just hooks onto the flush valve. Undo the flapper chain from the flush lever. I like to install my tank lever first. Slide the lever through, move to the right. There is a groove right there that it will sit into the toilet tank. Slide the nut over the lever. Since we are going to be tightening, we are going to be twisting this to the left, the opposite direction. Get that hand tight, and then maybe a quarter turn with your pliers. Don't want to tighten down too much. With your new flapper, first thing I do is I remove this clip. We are going to measure where we are going to hook our chain up to. Set the flapper into the flush valve. These hooks right here are going to hook onto the sides of the flush valve. Put tension on your flapper chain and mark where it meets the hole for the flush handle. Right about there. Then I usually go down about one ring and then insert the clip. Insert the clip into the hole. Cut off the excess chain on your flush handle and flapper connection. One optional step, I don't do it with the plastic ones, but with the metal flush handles, you can make a slight bend so the handle sits directly above the flapper. Turn the water back on to your toilet tank. And from here we can check the chain tension. So just by barely pulling up on the handle, we've got a straight line on the chain. You just want a little bit of tension, not too much and not too little. And that is how you install a flush tank handle and flapper. Thanks for watching.